Welcome to Sparkles Corner.
Welcome to Sparkles Corner. I'm going to be replacing a fridge handle.
Well,
Alright. Alright, so basically, for those of you who need to know, okay, this is our broken fridge handle. Need that. For those of you who need to know, okay, inside your refrigerator is a sticker, okay? On every fridge there, it's going to be in a different spot, so you just got to look for it. In there, you'll find your model information, okay? And then all you basically got to do is put your model information onto Amazon.com and put fridge handle. Hit search, and because each of the fridge handles has on there which one they're compatible for. And then basically all you got to do is just get the right one that goes with your fridge. And then, because it'll say which models each one's for, and then just simply get that one that goes for your fridge, and then you just simply slide it on. You take the screws that was. Just make sure you don't take your screws off for your previous handle, and then all you got to do is just make sure you get it all nice and lined up. Which that's the tricky part, because new fridge handles will be shipped, so that means you got to put a little bit of elbow grease to push that handle in place. Make sure both your screws are in the correct holes, and then just tighten them down. And then there you go, you got your new fridge handle in place. You can go to the trouble cleaning it up or whatever. Me, I'm just not bothering with it because it's the handle, it's just for convenience reasons, and then there you go. And in some cases, it will come with, you see, this one went with, yep. See, the one I put on there was even the correct one, because this one is for this swing, and then this would be for this swing over here. That's why it came in a 2-pack. There you go. I replaced my fridge handle. Now, if you have these problems, you can do this. Don't take a lot of trouble. Just, if you got a broken handle, just go in your fridge, find your sticker that has your model for your fridge, and then you find the one that says it's for that style of fridge. Even if, by chance, you can't get it in a 2-pack and you can only get a left handle swing, just remember one thing. They're both still going to be compatible. The only difference is that you'll just have the curve the wrong way. That's it. Alright? Thank you for watching. As always, thank you for watching. And peace out, and help promote small YouTube channels. Have a good evening.